In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money on Bitget, a cryptocurrency trading platform. The process will guide you through each step, ensuring that your funds are transferred securely and efficiently. Start by navigating to the Bitget website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of Bitget, which includes various options for trading and managing your account. Next, locate the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will direct you to the settings page where you can manage your account preferences. After that, look for the dashboard option within the settings menu. Clicking on dashboard will take you to your account's overview, displaying your balance and transaction history. This screen is essential as it provides a clear view of your current funds and account activities. Once you're on the dashboard, find the deposit button. This button is typically located prominently on the page. Clicking it will initiate the deposit process, allowing you to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. You may need to click on deposit again to proceed to the deposit options page. This will present you with different options for depositing various cryptocurrencies. Ensure you review the available options carefully. Next, you will see a cancel button. Click this if you wish to exit the deposit process at this stage. If you want to continue, simply ignore this option and proceed to the next step. After you dismiss the cancel option, click on deposit once more. This action will take you to a page where you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Look for the option labeled Select a Coin. Upon selecting Select a Coin, a list of available cryptocurrencies will appear. Choose the one you want to deposit. For this example, let's say you select USDT. This choice is important as it determines the type of deposit you will make. Following that, click on Choose a Network. This option will allow you to select the blockchain network for your deposit. Different networks may have varying transaction speeds and fees, so consider your options carefully. After selecting a network, choose the specific network you wish to use for your deposit. For example, you might select TRC20. This is crucial as it affects how your funds will be processed. Next, find the deposit address option. Clicking on this will display your unique deposit address for the selected cryptocurrency network. Make sure to copy this address accurately, as any mistakes could result in a loss of funds. Before proceeding, ensure you have verified your available storage on Bitget and that your internet connection is stable. Large transactions may take longer to process based on your internet speed, and it's essential to avoid interruptions during the deposit process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.